So hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. And now we'll be solving the Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now we'll be solving about the superposition and Kirchhoff's method. So the problem involves solving the currents, which is the I sub 2, I sub 3, and the I sub L. And using the superposition and Kirchhoff's methods, the given datas or the given datas that are included here is R1 is equals to 2 ohms, R2 is equals to 5 ohms, R3 is 10 ohms, RL is 4 ohms, I sub 1 is I amperes, um, voltage sub 1 is equals to 12 volts, voltage sub 2 is equals to 24 volts. So we need to find the following, which is the I sub 2, I sub 3, and IL. So here is the here is the R sub 1, R sub 2, R sub 3, RL, V1, V2, and the I1. So in solving this problem, first is we need to know the effect of the I sub 1 is equals to I ampere. So in step 1, we need the equivalent of the resistance of R2 squared. In step 1, we need to determine the equivalent resistance of R sub squared, R sub 3, and R sub L, or the parallel. So in the requirements of the formula of this problem is open parenthesis I over R sub 2 plus, no, for the requirements of this formula is equals to 1 over R sub 2 plus 1 over R sub 3 plus 1 over R sub L, close parenthesis, to the power of negative 1. So for our equation here is, we have here the R sub 2 is 5, R sub 3 is 10, and R sub L is 4. So I over 5 plus I mean, no, 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 no. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4, close parenthesis, to the power of negative 1, is in the total of 2 ohms. So for this step 2 is we need to find the current of I sub 1 that splits into parallel branches. So for the R sub 2 is equals to rec over R sub 2, I over I sub 1 equals to 2 over 5 times 1 is equals to 0.4 amperes. So for the R sub 3 is equals to rec over R sub 3, I sub 1 is equals to 2 over 10 times 1 is equals to 0.2 amperes. And for the R sub L is equals to rec over RL, I sub 1 equals to 2 over 4 times 1 is equals to 0.5 is equals to 0.5 amperes. And now let's proceed to the 2, which is the effect of voltage sub 1 is equals to 12 volts. So in this section, the voltage across R sub 2, R sub 3, R sub L is V sub 1 equals to V volts. 12 volts. So the current through each resistor is I sub R sub 2 is equals to V sub 1 is equals, no, no, no. I R sub 2 is equals to V sub 1 over R sub 2 is equals to 12 divided by 5 is equals to 2.4 amperes. For the I R sub 3 is equals to V sub 1 over 3 sub R sub 3 is equals to 12 divided by 10 is equals to 1.2 amperes. And for the I R sub L is equals to V sub 1 over R sub L is equals to 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3.0 amperes. And now let us proceed to the 3, which is the effect of V sub 2 over 24 volts. So for the voltage across R sub 2 or sub 3 R sub L is V squared over 24 volts. So for the current through each resistor, we have IR sub 2. So for the IR sub 2 equals V sub 2 over R sub 2 is equals to 24 divided by 5 is equals to 4.8 amperes. And for the IR sub 3 over V sub 2 over R sub 3 is equals to 24 divided by 10 is equals to 2.4 amperes. And for the IR sub L is equals to V sub 2 over R sub L is equals to 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6.0 amperes. And now for the sub 4, we need to know the total currents and to add the contributions from all the cases to find all the currents. First is we need to identify the I sub 2, I sub 3, and I sub L. So first for the I sub 2 is equals to IR sub 2 times I1 plus IR sub 2 times V1 plus IR sub 2 times V2 equals to 0.4 plus 2.4 plus 4.8 equals to 7.6 amperes. For the I sub 3 is equals to IR sub 3 times I1 plus IR sub 3 V1 plus IR sub 3 V2 is equals to 0.2 plus 1.2 plus 2.4 is equals to 3.8 amperes. And for the I sub L is equals to IR sub L I1 plus IR sub L V1 plus IR sub L V2 is equals to 0.5 plus 3.0 plus 6.0 is equals to 9.5 amperes. And now for the final result that has the questions that is asked for the I sub squared, I sub 3, and for the I sub L's. And so the answer for the I sub 2 is equals to 7.6 amperes. The answer for the I sub 3 is equals to 3.8 amperes, and for the I sub L is equals to 9.5 amperes. So if you find this video helpful, it is my pleasure to help you. That's all. Thank you.